Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakam CBSE School Mudol online classes. In previous class we started discussion about large numbers in practice. So that just we have seen about some units like 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters and 1 kilogram equals to 1000 liters, and like that only 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Like this only we have seen so many standard units. Okay, you have to remember all those things. For that you have to practice. Just write those things and try to remember, and just don't read those things. While reading you should have pen and paper for mathematics particularly. Okay, so while reading just you have to write and practice. Whatever you practice in maths you have to write in rough work, and while reading these things, while practicing these things, write again and again, so that it will be easy for you and easily you can remember all these things. Okay, so now based on this only, yesterday we solved one example, even I discussed that, and today I will continue one more example. Continue with one more example. They have given that so many things in Raman's shop and price of the fruits in Raman's shop. Okay, with that they have given sales during the last year, how much he has sold during last year season. Okay, so first I will write those things. Raman's shop, whatever they have given I will write. Otherwise you can do one thing, it takes lot of time to write all these things, and even if I write all these things on this board we can't solve problem. It will take so much of space here, so that if I write on other part of this board it will be not visible for you. So do one thing. For this problem completely refer textbook in page number 14. Refer your textbook in page number 14. They have given this example, and directly I will discuss about solution. Okay, so here they have given details about Raman shop, whatever things he has and price of each thing. Like page number 14 you have to open while watching this video without fail, otherwise you can't understand this. So here apples, for apple price they have given 40 rupees per kg, orange 30 rupees per kg. Next, like this only they have given so many things and price per each kg, and the sales during last year, how much he has sold during last year. Apples 2457 kg he sold, and oranges how much, 3004 kg, combs 22,760 kg. They have given details, price of the each kg and how much he has sold totally during last year. So based on this information they are asking some questions here. Okay, we will discuss those questions now. So can you find the total weight of apples and oranges Raman sold last year? So they have given how much apples he sold during last year. Apples sold, apples how much sold means 2457 kg. 2457 kg. Okay. Next, they are asking total weight of apples and oranges. So now I will write oranges, how much he has sold. They have given this information in table. Please refer that page number 14. Oranges, how much he has sold means 3004 kg. 3004 kg. Now we have to find out how much he has sold, that is total, that is apple and orange. during last year. So we have to add these values. So how to add here? While writing, be careful about this. Just while writing a number of kg of this apple, below this only write in such a way that number of kg of oranges. Here, this below this units place, you should get units place of orange, and hundreds place you should get, sorry, tens place you should get tens place of orange, and here hundreds place also, here you should get hundred place of orange, and below thousands place you should get thousands place only. So that we will get correct answer and we can add very easily. So now 7 plus 4 means what we will get? 7 plus 4 means we will get 11. Okay. Now 5 plus 0, 5 only. Next here we have carry. Okay. So 5 plus 1, 6. Next 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. So totally Raman sold 5,461 kg of apples and oranges together. So here in first question A, question number A they have given. Again I am telling, please refer your textbook for this question particularly. Weight of apples, just write this 2,457 kg, and weight of oranges, write this 3,004 kg, and in next question they are asking total weight, therefore total weight I will write here. Third one they have given total weight. Okay, total weight. Here just we have to add 2,457 kg plus 3,004 kg, so we will get 5,461 kg. So now in question number B, what they are asking, can you find total money Raman got by selling apples? Can you find total money Raman got by selling apples? Write this answer, just pause the video and you can write this answer. Now second one, question number B. Just I will discuss two questions here, already one discussed. Now I will discuss one more, that is second question. Can you find total money Raman got by selling apples? So for this they are given totally how much he sold. Total apples sold by Raman. How much? Apples, that is 2,457 kg. 2,457 kg totally sold by Raman, and each kg price is 40 rupees. For 1 kg, how much he is taking? 40 rupees. So I will write price of apple, for each kg, or I will write it as for 1 kg. How much they have given? 40 rupees. In table they have given. In one table they have given price of the fruits for 1 kg, and in one table they have given how much totally he has sold. So here totally how much he has sold? 2,557 kg. This is given in one table, and in another table price of apple for 1 kg. This is given in another table, that is 40 rupees. So now they are asking total money Raman got by selling apples. So here I will write total money Raman got by selling apples, that is equals to, so here what we have, 2457 kg totally he sold out. And how much he sold, so for 1 kg how much he has taken, 40 rupees. So I will multiply this with 40. So total 2457, and for 1 kg he is charging 40 rupees. So you have to multiply these two. So now we will start multiplication. 2557 into 40. So you can first multiply with 0 and afterwards you can put one plus, and afterwards you can multiply with 4. But here I will multiply directly. So 40 into 7, what you will get? Let's check. 40 into 7 means 7 into 0, 0 only. 7 into 4, 28. So 280. So here I will write 28 as carry. 28 as carry, and what is remaining? 0. 280 we have. So first we will write 0 and remaining 28 is carry. So now 40 into 5 means what you will get? We will check that. Or you can do first multiplication with 0 and next multiplication with 4. You can do like that also. Okay? But here I am directly multiplying. So now 40 into 5. Next 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 4, 20. So we got 200. 200, and here what we have? Carry, that is 28. So 200 plus 28 means what we will get? 200 plus 28 means we will get 228. You can add these two values. We will get 228. So again I will write here 8, and what are the values remaining? 22. So here I will consider 22 as carry. So now here 40 into 4. So 40 into 4 means directly we can tell that 40 into 4 means 160. Okay, 40 into 4, 160. You can calculate that. We will get 160 only. So 160 carry what we have here? 22. So plus 22. While adding, remember you should take care about these positions. So 0 plus 2 means what we will get? 2. 6 plus 2 means what we will get? 8. And 1 I will write it as it is. So what we got? 182. So first digit in ones place we have 2. So I will write it as it is here. And 18 we will consider it as carry. 18 is carry. So now what is remaining? 40 into 2. So 40 into 2 means what we will get? Directly we can tell 40 into 2 means we will get 80. So 80, what is carry here? 18. So 80 plus 18 means what we will get? 98. Here see, 80 plus carry 18. So 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we will get 98. So here I will write 98. So now I will consider comma according to Indian system of numeration. So to indicate this 1000 position, I will put one comma here. So what we got? 98,280. You can see here 98,280 rupees he got by selling apple. So here I will write total money Raman got by selling apples, that is 2457 into 40, that is equals to 98,280 rupees. So here if you are feeling this is difficult to multiply directly with 40, just first multiply with 0 and put 1 plus, and afterwards you can multiply with 4 and then you can add, will get same answer here. Okay, so this is about second question, question B of second main question. Okay, so now next here in question C, question D, what they have given means, question C, can you find the total money Raman got by selling apples and oranges together? So here just they asked money got by total money Raman got by selling apples. But now they are asking total money got by Raman by selling apples and oranges both. So already we have how much he has got from selling apple. Like this only, you have to calculate how much he has got by selling oranges. So oranges, how much he has sold totally? 3004 kg. So 3004 kg, and per kg how much? For orange he is taking 30 rupees per kg. So 30 rupees per kg means here, just I will discuss this, you have to solve this. So totally he sold 3004 kg of oranges, and for each kg he is taking 30 rupees. Means how much he got from orange? Just you have to multiply 3004 into 30. So whatever you get the answer here, by multiplying this you will get one answer. So directly I will tell that around 90,120 you will get when you multiply this. Around 90,000 you will get answer. So you have to add this answer. Means suppose for example 90,120, I am considering it directly. I don't know whether it is correct answer or not. Just I am writing it randomly. So here he got this money by selling oranges, and this is the money he got by selling apples. And in question C, what they are asking, total money got by Raman by selling apples and orange together. So what you have to do, just you have to add these two values. Money, total money Raman got by selling apples, total money Raman got by selling oranges. You have to add these two values, so you will get final answer. This is about question number C. Now in question number D, what they have given, make a table showing how much money Raman received from selling each item. So you have to make one table, how much he has got by selling each item. Means how much he got totally from apple, how much he got totally from orange, like that only remaining items also. How much he got from selling, that is combs, like that only you have to write all the values. For that you have to follow same method, just total weight and per kg rate. Total weight, repeat, I will repeat this, listen carefully. Total weight, how much he has sold, and per kg rate. You have to multiply, so that we will get total money Raman got by selling. Okay, so for that you have to make one table. In question number D, they are asking that. So just what you have to do, for apple, how much he has got? 98,280 rupees. How you got this answer? By multiplying total total weight of the apple into rate per each kg. Okay, like this only. Here for orange, how much he has got? 90,120. Again what you did, total weight of the orange, and you will multiply this with amount per kg. So when you multiply this, you will get amount Raman got by selling orange. Like that only combs, just what you have to do, you have to make one table, and here to get about combs, how much he has totally sold, in table they have given 22,760. So he sold 22,760 kg of combs, and per kg how much he is charging? 3 rupees. So you have to multiply this with 3 and you will get some answer how much he has got by selling combs. Like this only you have to make on table for question D. So today's homework, you have to solve question C and question D in page number 14. In page number 14. Already I discussed question A and B, and you have to solve remaining question C and D. These two are similar to AB. That's why I explained briefly question A and B. Just write this. Just pause the video and write the answer. And for C and D, try to solve. Already I explained how to calculate. Just try to solve those. Okay. In tomorrow's class, I will start discussing examples related to exercise 1.2. There are 3 to 4 examples are there. So I will try to complete those 4 examples so that all the examples related to exercise 1.2 will be completed. Okay. Thank you all.